Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 29, 2024, and we're diving into the latest updates and controversies surrounding Tesla. From the challenges of full self-driving software to the hurdles in opening up the Supercharger network, we've got a lot to cover. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Tesla's full self-driving software is under fire as drivers report alarming issues with the latest update. Users on platforms like Reddit have shared experiences where their vehicles attempted to run red lights, forcing them to intervene. A YouTuber even demonstrated this issue in Newark, New Jersey. These incidents come amid a federal investigation into Tesla's driver assist software, which has been linked to multiple fatal accidents. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration has previously criticized Tesla for not addressing safety concerns adequately. Critics argue that Elon Musk should refrain from labeling the software as full self-driving until it meets safety standards. At the World Robot Conference in Beijing, Tesla's Optimus robot was notably absent from the action, remaining motionless behind glass, while competitors showcased their humanoid robots performing various tasks. This stark contrast highlighted the advancements made by other robotics firms. Elon Musk has positioned Tesla as a robotics company, suggesting that the future lies in bipedal robots rather than just electric vehicles. However, the lack of a live demonstration for Optimus raises questions about its capabilities and readiness to compete in the rapidly evolving robotics market. Tesla's plan to open its Supercharger network to non-Tesla electric vehicles is progressing slowly, leaving many potential users frustrated. Despite Elon Musk's announcement over a year ago, the network remains largely inaccessible due to software and hardware issues. Recently, Tesla's charging unit announced an increase in production of essential adapters needed for vehicles from brands like Ford and Rivian to use Tesla chargers. However, it remains uncertain how quickly these adapters will be distributed to electric vehicle owners. Concerns regarding the safety of Tesla's full self-driving system are escalating, particularly following a series of troubling test drives by technology analyst William Stein. Despite Tesla's claims that FSD can operate with minimal human intervention, Stein reported unsafe maneuvers during his drives, including running a red light and straddling lanes. These incidents have attracted the scrutiny of federal regulators, who have been investigating Tesla's automated driving systems for over 2 years. Safety experts criticize Tesla's reliance on camera-only systems, noting that other companies like Waymo and Cruise utilize a combination of sensors for better object detection. Tesla's self-driving technology has yet to be implemented in the Boring Company's one-way tunnels in Las Vegas, despite years of development. The Boring Company, founded by Elon Musk, completed its first full-scale loop project, the Las Vegas Convention Center Loop, at a cost of $50 million. However, human drivers are still required to operate the vehicles in the tunnels. Critics argue that the inability to implement self-driving technology in a controlled environment like the tunnels raises doubts about Tesla's capabilities in achieving full autonomy on public roads. That's all for today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. Thank you for tuning in as we explore the latest developments in Tesla's journey through technology and innovation. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more insights and updates. Until then, stay informed and drive safely.